Hello guys, how are you? I'm Akash Verma and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Python in Windows. So let's get going. First of all, I have to uninstall my Python. Here you can see it is version 3.7.9 and I'm gonna uninstall this first so that I can show you how to install that. Before installing, make sure that you are the administrator of your PC. If you are not the administrator of the PC, you will have to face some problems. Go to your account info and here you can see that I am the administrator of my PC, so I can successfully install the Python without any problems. So it has been uninstalled successfully. So open your browser and then type the keywords download Python. The first link you will see is the official Python website from where you can download the Python for free. The current version is 3.9.4, which is the latest version of Python, and you can also download older versions from here. I'm gonna download Python 3.7.9, and at the bottom of the page you can see various versions of installer. Since my machine is 64 bits, so I'm gonna download the 64-bit installer. Click on this. Since I have downloaded it before, so I need not to download this again. Close the browser and search for this PC. I will go to downloads. I will find the Python 3.7.9. Now if you want to quick install the Python, you have to click on install now, and if you wanna customize the location, then you can choose the customize installation option. You have to add Python 3.7 to your path so that your Python will also run in the command line interface. I'm gonna click this install now option for now. This will take some time and let it take its time. Nowadays there is a huge requirement of Python for machine learning, data science, and some other stuffs like desktop development, Android app development, web server development, and websites development. So we have successfully downloaded our Python and Python. Yeah, here you can see the Python has been installed successfully, the Python version 3.7.9, and I'm gonna exit this. To make sure that the pip has been installed, you have to write the command and it will show you which version of the pip has been installed in your system. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, share and subscribe my channel.